Every year, people deep clean their homes, declutter their wardrobes, reorganize drawers, throw away things they no longer need. But very few people do this with their minds, because just like your space, your beliefs can become cluttered. Old stories, outdated fears, thoughts you've outgrown. So today, we're doing a mental reset. A spring clean for your limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are thoughts you've repeated so many times they feel like facts. Things like, I'm not confident, I'm bad with money, people like me don't succeed, it's too late for me. But here's the truth. Most of these beliefs were learned from childhood experiences, school environments, past relationships, society's expectations. Psychologists in fields like cognitive behavior therapy explain that our thoughts influence our emotions and behaviors. So if your beliefs are outdated or inaccurate, they simply shape your decisions without even realizing. That's why awareness is the first step. So, just like a cluttered room has signs, so does a cluttered mindset. You might need a reset if you notice you overthink simple decisions, you avoid opportunities, you assume the worst, you talk yourself out of things quickly. You feel stuck despite wanting change. These are often not personality traits, they're patterns, and patterns can be changed. So step 1, identify the clutter. You can't clean what you don't see. So the first step is to identify your limiting beliefs. Grab a notebook and write, what do I believe about money, relationships, success, myself? Don't filter it. Write the raw thoughts. So for example, I'll never earn enough. I always mess things up. I'm not attractive. This step can feel uncomfortable, but it's powerful because once a belief is visible, it becomes changeable. Step 2. Question everything. Now we're going to challenge the beliefs. Ask yourself, is this 100% true? Where did I learn this? Is this always true or just sometimes? What evidence contradicts this? This process is similar to techniques used in cognitive behavioral therapy. The goal isn't blind positivity, it's accuracy. Most limiting beliefs are exaggerations, not facts. Step 3. Decide what stays and what goes. Imagine you're cleaning your room. You wouldn't keep things that no longer serve you. Do the same with your beliefs. Ask, does this belief help me grow or hold me back? If the belief creates fear, avoidance, self-doubt, it's probably time to let it go. You're allowed to outgrow old identities. Step 4. Replace, don't just remove. Here's where most people get stuck. They try to remove a belief without replacing it. Your brain doesn't like empty space. So instead of, I'm bad with money, try, I'm learning how to manage money better. Instead of, I'm not confident, try, I'm becoming more confident through practice. These are called bridge beliefs. They feel believable, and believable thoughts stick. Step 5, reinforce through action. Belief doesn't change just because you wrote them down. If only. They change through evidence. Every time you act in alignment with a new belief, you reinforce it. If your new belief is, I'm improving my confidence, your action might be speaking up once, posting content, trying something new, going on a solo date. Small actions create proof, and proof builds belief. Okay, your action steps. Brain dump your beliefs. Write down everything you believe about money, relationships, success, yourself. No editing, just awareness. Circle your top 3 limiting beliefs. Pick the beliefs that feel the most restrictive. These are your focus. Then challenge them. For each belief, ask, is this completely true? Find at least one piece of evidence against it. Then create a bridge belief. Rewire each limiting belief into something more supportive and realistic. Then, within 24 hours, do something that supports your new belief. Action locks it in. You don't need a completely new life to feel different. Sometimes you just need to update the beliefs guiding your current one. Your mind is not fixed, it's flexible. And just like a room, it works best when it's clear, intentional, and aligned with who you're becoming. If you're ready for a reset, comment down below. I am clearing space for new beliefs. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical ways to upgrade your mindset and create a life that actually reflects your potential. Till next time, bye guys.